Another Epicflows Production.
Stickman can't believe this. Them girl ya, them dress up nice and sexy, and then them just finish off the look, compliment it with a gas pan them shoulder accessory. Them don't know about pressure. Them girl ya do. Look pan the brother ya. Him swag buck. It a shell. The brother ya a cold stove the pan him no. The brother ya go vintage with it. The brother ya go for the classic look. The brother ya. Me can't even talk about the brother ya. Lord of God. The man don't like him life. The man make it light. The man light the cylinder no people. Look there. Man light the cylinder star. Stickman confused. Stickman want go on. Coulda other one ya people. Lord of God people. Coulda other one ya. People look how that girl is strong. Look the people. It's a full cylinder she got to know. It's a full cylinder the girl a light to know people. And coulda she well deck out to it. She deck from head to cylinder pan shoulder to toe. People, Stickman a wonder when Stickman talk, no man walk, but Stickman a wonder if maybe them just say them a go try promote something conscious. So them just say them a go try to raise some awareness for gastroenteritis. So a gastroenteritis all of this for cause Stickman no believe say them so fool. Stickman no know. And I would think say Jamaicans have enough burden to carry already, but you know look so when Stickman talk, no man walk.
When Stickman talk, me say no man walk. When Stickman talk, me say no man walk.